Airtable versus Bubble, which tool is right for you? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into a comparison between two of the most powerful platforms, revolutionizing the way individuals manage their projects and businesses, which is Airtable and Bubble. And we will compare Airtable and Bubble in terms of their features and functionality, performance, pricing comparison, mobile accessibility, customization and flexibility, and at the end of the video, we'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Airtable and Bubble, you could also use my affiliate link in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Airtable, it is centered around data management, allowing users to create custom databases and applications without coding, in which it excels in simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for managing smaller to medium-sized datasets in simpler workflows. While Bubble, on the other hand, is tailored for no-code application development, offering a visual design and workflow building environment. It enables users to create custom workflows, integration, and automate process without coding. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Airtable and Bubble. So let's start by knowing the features and functionality comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table in terms of database, Airtable offers flexible spreadsheet-style database, while Bubble offers powerful visual database with relational capabilities. Now in terms of no-code development, Airtable offers limited no-code capabilities for simple databases, while Bubble offers extensive no-code development platform for building web and mobile apps. And in terms of integrations, Airtable offers integrations with various tools such as Zapier, Slack, and many more, while Bubble supports integrations with a wide range of third-party services and APIs. Now in terms of customization, Airtable has highly customizable with flexible field types, views, and filtering options, while Bubble offers extensive customization options through workflows, design elements, and plugins. And aside from that, in terms of collaboration, Airtable allows real-time collaboration with team members on projects, while Bubble supports collaboration through version control, commenting, and user permissions. Now in terms of support, Airtable provides documentation tutorials and community forums for assistance, while Bubble offers extensive documentation, video tutorials, and responsive support through forums and email. Now moving on to performance comparison both platforms, as you can see on this table in terms of speed aspect, Airtable offers generally fast response times for basic tasks, while Bubble speed can vary depending on the complexity of the application and server load. Now in terms of scalability, Airtable works well for small to medium-sized datasets and projects, while Bubble can handle larger datasets and more complex applications with proper optimization. And in terms of reliability, Airtable is reliable performance for basic database functions, while Bubble offers reliability can be affected by server uptime and maintenance. Now in terms of data handling, Airtable offers efficient for managing and organizing data in spreadsheet, while Bubble handles complex data, relationship, and interactions efficiently. And aside from that, in terms of page load times, Airtable offers page load quickly for basic views in data retrieval, while Bubble offers load times may vary depending on the complexity on the application and server resources. And for mobile responsiveness, Airtable offers responsive design for mobile access to data and basic functionality, while Bubble mobile responsiveness can be optimized but may require additional development effort. Now moving on to the pricing plan comparison of both platforms, as you can see on this table in terms of pre-plan, Airtable offers a pre-plan with basic features and limited records, while Bubble provides a free plan also with limitations on usage and features. Now in terms of paid plans, Airtable is starting from $10 per user per month for Plus plan, while Bubble starts from $29 per month for personal use, $115 per month for professional use. And in terms of usage limits, Airtable limits on records, attachments, and collaborative workspace features in free and lower tier plans, while Bubble offers higher usage limits and more features in paid plans. Now in terms of customization, Airtable has limited customization options in lower tier plans, while Bubble offers extensive customization options available in all plans. Now moving on in terms of mobile accessibility, as you can see in here, in terms of native mobile app, Airtable offers a mobile app for iOS and Android for viewing and basic editing of data, while Bubble does not provide a native mobile app but allows for building mobile responsive web applications. Now in terms of offline access, Airtable offers limited offline access through the Airtable mobile app with the ability to view and edit recent records, while Bubble does not offer native offline access but can implement offline capabilities through custom development. And for mobile responsiveness, Airtable web interface is mobile responsive, enabling access and basic functionality on mobile devices, while Bubble supports building fully responsive web applications optimized for mobile devices. Moving on in terms of customization and flexibility, as you can see on this table, in terms of customization options, Airtable offers customization options for fields, views, and filtering with limited design flexibility, while Bubble provides extensive customization options for UI or UX, workflows, and integrations allowing for highly tailored applications. Now in terms of third-party integrations, Airtable supports integrations with various third-party services such as Zapier, Slack, and many more. And for Bubble, offers integration with a wide range of third-party services and APIs for enhanced functionality. And also in terms of design flexibility, Airtable offers limited design flexibility for UI or UX customization primarily focused on data presentation, while Bubble allows for complete design control including layout, styling, and animations. And aside from that, in terms of workflow automation, Airtable offers basic automation features for simple tasks such as email notifications and reminders, while Bubble offers advanced workflow automation capabilities with conditional logic and API workflows for complex business processes. And for plugin ecosystem, Airtable offers limited plugin ecosystem with a few available extensions for additional functionality, while Bubble offers a rich plugin ecosystem with a wide variety of plugins created by the community and Bubble team for extended functionality. Now moving on to user reviews comparison, starting to Airtable, the positive reviews of it is that it has user-friendly interface, praised for its simplicity and ease of use, with real-time collaboration features highly appreciated for team workflows, with flexible database structure allows for customization to suit various use cases. While the negative reviews of it is that it has limited design customization options, especially for more complex UI or UX needs, and some users find the pricing plans expensive, especially as usage scales up. And for automation features are basic compared to more advanced no-code platforms. While Bubble user reviews, as you can see in here, starting with positive reviews, Bubble offers extensive customization capabilities appreciated for building complex web and mobile applications, and also advanced workflow automation features praised for streamlining business processes, with rich plugin ecosystem offers a wide range of options for extending functionality. While the negative reviews of it is that it has a steeper learning curve compared to simple no-code platforms requiring more time to master, and the mobile responsiveness may require additional development effort and optimization, and the performance can be variable depending on the complexity of the application and server resources. But the question is, who should choose Airtable? Well, Airtable is suited for individuals or small teams needing a simple and intuitive platform for managing data and projects, and for those users who prioritize ease of use and real-time collaboration features, and those with basic no-code development needs such as creating simple workflows or databases, and for teams requiring flexible database structure that can be easily customized to fit different use cases, and for users seeking affordable pricing options for small to medium-sized projects or organizations. But what about Bubble? Who should choose Bubble? Well, Bubble is suited for entrepreneurs or businesses looking to build complex web and mobile applications without coding, and for those developers or individuals with technical background seeking extensive customization and control over their applications' design and functionality, and for teams requiring advanced workflow automation features with conditional logic and API integrations, and for those needing scalability for larger projects or applications with high data volumes and complex business processes. And now, in conclusion, Airtable and Bubble offer distinct advantages catering to different user needs. Airtable excels in providing a user-friendly interface and flexible database management for individuals and small teams requiring simplicity and real-time collaboration. Conversely, Bubble empowers developers and businesses to create complex web and mobile applications without coding, offering extensive customization, advanced automation, and scalability for larger projects. But ultimately, the choice between Airtable and Bubble hinges on the level of customization, technical expertise, and project complexity required, ensuring users can select the platform best suited to their specific goals and preferences. So that is just a comparison review between Airtable and Bubble. Thank you.